Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get Apple Music 6 months all for free. So this is my Apple Music account. As you can see, I've downloaded some songs, so I got Apple Music 6 months all for free. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can get that. So this method works for only those people that are using MTN. So if you are not using MTN SIM, this cannot work for you. This works for only those people that are using MTN. So let's get right into today's video. So all you have to do is to head on to your message app and send a message to 8000. Send MUSIC, that's music, to 8000. So after you have sent the message, you are going to get this message: dear customer, you have successfully subscribed to Apple 6 months free. So after you have done all this, all you have to do is to go back and open your Apple Music. Then you are going to see an option: join Apple Music through MTN. So all you have to do is to click on that. So after doing that, MTN will send you a code to verify the Apple Music. So after you have verified, you can now enjoy Apple Music all for free. So this will only last for 6 months. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you smash that like button